What is going on, guys? I hope you're all having a great week. So if you've been catching these videos and you've been watching my channel for a while and you haven't hit subscribe, hit subscribe. I hope you love the content, and if you do, hitting that subscribe button, it will let you know when this happens. Alright guys, so on today's video, I am reviewing a beard product. Real quick story, I was surfing around on Instagram and the Texas Beardsmen company, they had a post come up and they were looking for product testers. And they basically said, here, submit your information. We're looking for people that are active in social media. I have a YouTube channel. I also do some Instagram. So I was like, hey, why not? So I put in for it, and I gotta say thank you to the Texas Beardsmen company for giving me this opportunity to review your product. I really do appreciate it. So this is what I was sent. This is from the Texas Beardsmen company. Gotta tell you, I think the bottle's pretty cool looking. Their label definitely works with an amber bottle. They keep a lot of the brown tones in here. Thought that was cool. The oil they sent me is called the California Coast, and its ingredients are fractionated coconut oil, jojoba oil, hemp seed oil, tea tree oil, orange bitter oil, peppermint supreme oil, plus other oils. So when I read that, I was like, wow, this could be a pretty cool scent. I haven't really done a mint scent since probably early on in my channel. And even when I first started growing a full beard a few years ago and using beard products, mint was one of the first type of oils, or a mint scented oil was one of the first types I really was using, just because I really enjoyed just the clean, crisp notes you get from mint. And so this was a bit of a throwback, and I was really excited. So we'll get into how this smells now. Give a little shake. Okay guys, I gotta tell you, so when I even got this in the mail, I opened it and I just did that right there. This smells, right out of the gate guys, this smells amazing. You get hit with this very nice orange, and then it goes into kind of like a sweet mint, and it just kind of blends together real well. It's just a very nice cool orange kind of scent. Very nice, very refreshing scent. I'm just going to get it in the beard now, and I'm going to talk about like kind of my experience I had with this product. So give me a second. So you can see it is a pretty clear oil. Alright, I do like that. It's definitely it's a lighter oil. I'd say it's a medium light. Alright, so ooh, that scent. Okay, so that first hit in my beard, I got that orange and mint, just like I described out of the bottle. So the orange and mint are still working together, and oh man, it's very nice. This is super refreshing. I really do. I like putting this in the morning. Felt amazing. I will say, as I wore it through the day, this is the one critique I have on this product right now, is that the orange kind of took over, and that mint kind of went away probably within the first couple hours, and what you were left with was a citrus scent. Now I like citrus, so this was fine, but I love the overall scent, and it just, I really wish it would have lasted a little longer with the mint and the orange, but the orange takes over and you're left with kind of this mellow, clean orange citrus scent, that cleansing smell that citrus can provide sometimes. That's what you're left with in the beard. And that's fine. Like I said, I just wish the overall scent would have held up a little longer. And the overall scent probably lasts about maybe 2 to 4 hours tops. And like I said, that orange citrus is really, that's what kind of stays. And then it leaves, like I said, a clean, mellow kind of scent in the beard. Now, how does this oil perform? So I gotta tell you, I really liked how this oil performed. My beard felt nice and soft. Hold on, So I gotta tell you, my beard felt nice and soft, and the other thing I noticed too, usually when you put oil in your beard, you do kind of notice it will make it shine and everything. This has a nice shine, and I noticed too, for whatever reason, I really noticed it really enhanced the colors of my beard, and you may not be able to see it on camera here, because it probably just looks like I have a darker beard or a brown beard, but my beard actually has, and I know a lot of guys are like this, but it's got like some flecks of red. I got some blonde in here, some gray thanks to the kids, but no, but no, I really noticed it really enhanced the color of my beard, and I really like that too. So as far as the actual, how the carry oils and everything work, I think it works great. Beard felt nice and soft all day, and again, the color looked good, and it gave a really good shine. And then another thing, pricing on this product. Pricing is really good. At the time of making this video, most of the beard oils on the website were priced at just around $10. So really good price point for this. And they had some other really good offerings too. They make soaps. They also have some other like supplies on there, like some straight razors and combs. So they really do a great job providing some products that really help beardsmen out. With that being said, guys, this company is definitely worth a look. They got a couple of varieties on there that really piqued my interest, so I'm going to probably go check them out here in the near future. If you guys got any questions or comments about this product, let me know. I love hearing it, and hope you guys have a great week. Take care.